Welcome to day 9 of CookMas. But first, check out my hat. Check out my Dollar Tree hat. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, if you have not seen the first 8 videos that I've posted, please go back and watch those and then come back here. And also, don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you know when I post, so you can just rush here and, you know, do your thing. We are making Cornish hen. Cornish hen, Cornish hen. We are making Cornish hen with, oh, my camera is shaking, with French bread, but with a twist. We're gonna make garlic French bread. We have our chicken, our Cornish hen, sorry. So this has already been cleaned and washed, and now all I'm gonna do is season it. As you already know, I got my epis, my Haitian epis. I will have a video on how I make my own epis, okay? But we're gonna take a spoonful, well, 2. All right, 2.5. Okay, we're gonna add some olive oil. We're gonna add some white wine vinegar, just a little bit, like 1 tablespoon. Okay, maybe 2. You just go with the flow. Go with what your ancestors say. It works for me. Start with cayenne pepper, a whole lot. Salt, salt-free seasoning, garlic powder, got some tajin, complete seasoning. Whew. Lemon pepper, and the devil. We're about to dive in. Let's make sure we get this bad boy all seasoned. Do not be afraid to use your hands. If you gotta use your hands, then you gotta use your hands, okay? Just make sure you wash your hands because there's a lot of hot pepper stuff in here. So make sure you wash your hands good before you touch anything else, especially your body. Okay? So now we're gonna set this to the side, let it marinate, and come back over there. Now we are moving on to our to our garlic French bread. So we are using the Pillsbury French bread dough. And we got our pan. The first thing we're gonna do is I already put a baking sheet in the pan. Now I'm gonna spray it with some cooking spray. And now to open this. Open. Just follow the instructions on this and it'll be just fine. Now we're gonna cut 4, slice it 4 times over the seam right here. I hope you guys can see. We got some butter we're gonna melt in the microwave. So I'm gonna put that in the microwave for a few seconds. Get our melted butter. And we got some minced garlic. We're not gonna add too much. much. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit more and mix it. We're going to add some garlic powder. And some parsley flakes so it could look cute. I would rather and we got our brush, so give it a good mix, and we're gonna brush the bread lightly. Just so you guys know, my brother AJ say he can cook better than me, and he said he's taking over my cooking channel and that he's cooking on Saturday. So I guess we'll see. Our Cornish hen has been marinating. Make sure you wash this. I added some, like 1 tablespoon of butter to my Old Faithful, my chaudière. I'm gonna add the rest of the seasoning from the chicken. I'm gonna add some onions. Bread. All right, let's do a bread check real quick. Nice. Okay. Smells delicious. Now we're just gonna put it in the oven to give it some, you know, some golden color, some crispy. There you guys have it. Day 9 is in the books. We got our garlic French bread and our Cornish hen. Oh my god, the seasoning got in there. I need 2 hands, so that's why I'm struggling. Yes, the food is good, the chicken is delicious, the bread is good, and now I'm gonna go enjoy my food. So thank you guys for watching me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and come back for day 10 tomorrow. We are about to be in the double digits. Yay! So come back for day 10 tomorrow. Again, thank you. All right, so don't forget to, you know, visit me on my Instagram as well. It will be in the link below. And of course, if you need any catering, shoot me an email. Again, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow for